Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 17 of the Leetcode Daily Challenge. Wow, it's been really cool. But hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, let me know what you think about today's problem. Repeated DNA sequence. Or DNA is composed of ACGT, okay? Write a function of 10 or 10 letters subsequence that occur more than once. Okay. Well, the number of substrings is going to be O of n because you just use a sliding window, and that's what we're going to do. Use a sliding window in a hash table, and it's going to give us O of n, like 10 times n, but it's still O of n, and that's probably good enough. And that becomes an exercise in using a hash table. I'm going to use something called collections.counter, but you can, which is basically the same as a hash table with anything as a key and an int as a value. And then now we do something like for x and s, for character in s, we wrap a current character or current string. This isn't super efficient because ideally you have some data structure that allows you to do this sliding window in a way, but you still have to construct a string, right? So you could probably do some fancy stuff to do it a little bit faster. And one way that you can think about it is maybe using a by noting that there are only 4 characters in this set, so you can actually use what is I was gonna say quadary. I don't know if that's right, but base 4 number, and when you do that, it's only 2 to the 20, so there's only about a million different possibilities, right? So that's going to be, and if you do it that way, then it becomes way more efficient to do the hashing and stuff like that. That's going to be my recommendation for upsolving. For now, I'm going to do it the dumb way and then see if it's fast enough, and then we'll see how it goes. So current, let's add this character. If the length of the current is greater than 10, we do current is equal to current sub 1. And then now, if length of current is equal to 10, we put it in counter. And then now we just have to go through each key for yeah, and we could probably just do it in one line. You do something like for comprehension, which is that okay, key for key value in counter if value is greater than 2, right? And then just return that, and I think that should be okay. And value is just the number of counts, right? So yeah. Maybe I did. Oh, whoops. Dot items, I think. So let me put in the other string as well. Looks good. Let's give it a quick submit and see if it's fast enough. That's all. My only concern is that it may be a little bit too slow, but it seems to be fast enough for me, so that's good. So this is like a 10-line solution. Again, if you want to make it faster, you can encode this in a base 4 number. It's a little bit more work, but it might come in handy someday, especially the binary version. But yeah, so what is the complexity, right? Well, each character is going to only get processed once here. This is a little bit yucky looking, but it's going to be O of 10 because the length of the string will be at most 10, and again this is also O of 10 if you want to call it that, which is constant. So that means that all this is constant, which means that this is linear, so O of n. In terms of space, this is going to be also O of n, kind of, not really. It's O of it's the min of O of n, or 2 to the 20 or 4 to the 10 is more accurate, because you have 4 numbers and or 4 characters, and there could be the length is 10. So the number of possibility is 2 to the 20 or about 1 million, right? So that's kind of the complexity if you want to go deep into it. That's all I have for this problem. Let me know what you think. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button again, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye bye. Oops.